Alright, now the first thing you need to do here is go ahead and go to the USPS website. Once you get there, you log into your account. If you don't have an account, just create an account. It's easy to do. No different from anything else that you then registered for. So once you're logged in, you go over here to help. And then once you do that, you go down to filing a claim. Now you get to the next page, then you scroll down until you get to step 3, file your claim. Click on that and it'll drop down. Then you go down a little bit more and you find this blue button which says start an online claim. You click that. You scroll down, search for package. Now you got to enter your tracking number. So you go over to your eBay section and you copy the tracking number, go back over to domestic claims here and you paste in your tracking number. Now the next step is your shipping date and what date that you ship the package, and for me that would be November 20th. So once you got that in, you click the search button. Now at the next page you scroll down. Now step 2, the package information. Now your reason for the claim, the reason for mine will be damaged contents. So click that in. Then you on step 3, your fees paid, which is the amount of insurance that you pay for the item. I didn't pay any insurance, no additional insurance at that, because they cover up to $100, and this item was under $100, so I didn't have to pay any extra fees. So step 4 is asking if you are the mailer or the recipient. I am the mailer, so I'll click on that and drop down is my information, and then here is the information for the buyer. So now I go back over to eBay and start copying and pasting all the information that's required for the USPS site. So I got the name, just edit this. Now for the company name, they don't have one, so I'm just going to enter their whole name in there. Now I'll go to the address, copy the address, you enter in the street, the city, copy that, and that goes in there. The state, enter that in, which is Ohio, and the zip code, copy that and paste there. Now their phone number, copy that. Now I'm gonna put this phone number inside of this email box, because this 1 here plus 1, it won't fit in the phone numbers box, so I erase that and erase the dashes that comes along with it. So now I just copy that and paste it there. Now for the email, I go back over to eBay, copy the email and paste it in the email section. Now once you got all this information filled out here, you scroll down to step 6. Now it's the item name. This is the information for the item. It's it's going to be a pastry plate candle, pastry plate. That's well, these boxes only fit 15 characters, so I'm on it really at a limit of the item name. So I'm gonna go over here to item type, and I'm gonna put this for clothing / home products, because this is considered really somewhat like a home product. So the item description, I'm assuming they're asking, I guess, for the damage, what's wrong with it, the damages. So I'm going to put here damages to box and item, broken glass. Alright, that's all I'm gonna put in there. Purchase date, which was the 20th, and the amount required, $70, is what was paid for the item. Now for the upload or proof of purchase or the value, I screenshotted the amount that was paid from the buyer, and I think this is it here. Now once you upload your proof of value, scroll down a little bit more, and you upload the pictures of your damage, and you just upload whatever pictures that you do have. So hopefully these pictures are good. But you scroll down to step 7. Give your claim a nickname, and it's pastry plate. Now review your claim. Now just go over the information that you have on here just to make sure everything is intact and right. And claim, add another, and you click on here in this checkbox, pretty much stating that you certify that all the information is true and everything is correct. So once all of that is done and you've looked over all of your information, you scroll down and you click on submit claim. And that is it. Say thank you for submitting your claim online. You will also receive an email confirmation on your claim submission. Additional information will be provided as claims process. So now that is done, and that's how you make a claim on an eBay item that has been damaged by USPS